As of last week, the month of May has been taken over by the Good Mental Health Cooperative, which is holding the Hampshire Festival of the Mind across the county, titled It's About Time.
The Hampshire Festival of the Mind is about celebrating all the community activities that are going on around promoting well-being and good mental health and recovery. They don't get a lot of coverage. Obviously, it's hard times in terms of public services, but there's a huge amount of initiative and interesting, innovative ideas that are being developed and persevered with by people in the communities around Portsmouth and Gosport and the Isle of Wight. This is the third Hampshire Festival of the Mind event that we've run. The first one was in 2014. So the idea is that there's a whole series of events through May. Different groups and organisations are involved in putting on events and activities, and this is our Keynote event here at Portsmouth Cathedral.
How encouraging is it for local authorities to see charity workers and their volunteers pull together for a cause being highlighted now more than ever?
This exhibition today and the events that are being organised here are a tremendous show of how the voluntary sector can get together with service users, working on the long-term support of people with long-term enduring mental health problems. As a counsellor, part of our job is to take part in community activities, and this one I'm particularly keen on. Everybody has some mental ill health in their families. It's endemic in our society, and I think anything that can help to raise the profile of the work that people with mental health problems themselves and the voluntary sector and state sector can work together to improve the lives of those many people.
The cathedral was packed with mental health charities from Portsmouth and beyond, who all came together under one roof on Monday. I spoke to a group tackling problems affecting young people through drama.
I'm here with Stand Hall Theatre. I'm the artistic director, co-artistic director. We've been running for 3 years, and we create and produce performances on mental health awareness. So we try and destigmatise otherwise stigmatised illnesses, such as schizophrenia and anxiety, which are our two current performances. And we have a performance art installation going on at the moment inside the cathedral. That is the history of mental health, starting with Bethlehem in 1247 all the way to 2017 with Stephen Fry.
Portsmouth South MP Stephen Morgan got proceedings officially underway by praising the groups in attendance for their work in the city and expressing his eagerness to learn of the challenges they're facing.
It's great to be here today to officially open the Festival of Mind celebration, a series of events across Hampshire and Portsmouth about mental health and making sure that people are really mindful about their mental health. As someone that cares passionately about Portsmouth, it's been really good recently to meet with a number of organisations that support people with mental health, hear some of the challenges that they face, and importantly the services that they provide to people in Portsmouth. Well, with the austerity over the last 8 years, we found that a number of local charities have really missed out on government funding, and actually we've seen demand increase in mental health services, and people live incredibly complex lives with social media, with busy, hectic lives. Mental health is so important, and it's really important that charities come together, work together to make sure we get the best possible outcomes for people in our city.
With 2 weeks left of May, there are still plenty of opportunities to get involved in the Hampshire Festival of the Mind. Charles Ray Palmer for That's TV.